Vietnam is quickly becoming one of the most talked about destinations in the world. In 2025, it's not just travelers, but YouTubers, bloggers, and digital nomads who are shining a spotlight on this beautiful country. But why now? First, the beauty speaks for itself. From the towering limestone cliffs of Halong Bay, to the green rice terraces of Sapa, to the quiet charm of ancient towns like Hoi An. Every corner of Vietnam offers something stunning, especially from above. But there's another reason Vietnam is trending. It's affordable. For just $25 a day, you can experience culture, comfort, and cuisine. In a world where travel is getting more expensive, Vietnam stands out as a refreshing and reachable escape. And with more creators capturing its magic, Vietnam has become more than just a trip. It's a story the world wants to hear. Maybe that's why you're watching this now. Have you noticed it too? Vietnam is everywhere right now. You open YouTube, scroll TikTok, and boom, another breathtaking view, another travel vlog, another person saying, Vietnam blew my mind. But why now? What's happening in this Southeast Asian country that suddenly made it the internet's favorite? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the obvious: beauty. Vietnam isn't just beautiful, it's wildly cinematic. Halong Bay looks like something out of Avatar. Sapa's rice fields stretch like green staircases into the clouds. Da Nang, a beach city that feels like a dream. Every corner you turn, there's something worth filming, and YouTubers know it. But here's the kicker. It's not just pretty, it's cheap. Ridiculously cheap. $25 a day gets you food, transport, and a clean place to sleep. Fresh pho on the street for $1. A coconut coffee by the river for 50 cents. And bus rides that cost less than your phone charger. Budget travelers love it, but even luxury vloggers are coming for the views and the value. So why is it trending right now? Because people are looking for something different. Thailand feels overdone. Bali is getting expensive. Europe, don't even ask. Vietnam is fresh, unfiltered, and more creators are realizing it every day. And it's not just the scenery or the savings. Vietnam feels real. It's calm chaos, warm smiles, rainy streets and noisy markets. It's history, culture, food, adventure. And once you land, something about it makes you want to stay longer. Just ask the thousands of travelers who booked 1 week and stayed 3 months. So is Vietnam perfect? No place is. But in 2025, it just might be the perfect escape. If you're curious, maybe it's time to stop scrolling and start planning. See you in Vietnam.